This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery charged, Bluetooth on your phone, and no active pairings that will interfere. You press and hold the power/Bluetooth button for about 3 seconds until the LED flashes blue. This puts the Peltor WS Alert XPI into discovery mode. Once you see the blinking LED, make sure your phone's Bluetooth scan is active. You do this now because the headset only remains discoverable briefly, so be ready to select it when it appears on your device list. Once the headset appears on your device, tap the name to pair. You may be asked to confirm 0000 as the code. Accept it. After the initial pairing, make sure the phone routes audio to the headset by selecting Call or Media Audio Profiles in Bluetooth settings. You should also grant microphone permission if the phone prompts, otherwise voice transmission won't work. If you plan to use push-to-talk or a radio app, open that app. Select the WS Alert XPI as the audio device and test briefly. To finish, run an audio and mic test, play media, then make a short call or use the PTT app to verify transmit and receive. Once done, check volume and ambient listening settings on the headset to balance noise canceling and situational awareness. If pairing fails, make sure to forget the device on your phone, power cycle both devices, and re-enter pairing mode. One key troubleshooting tip: if it still misbehaves, perform the factory reset by holding power plus both volume buttons for 10 seconds, then repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.